Okay, welcome to video number 17 of chapter 2 series. In this video, we are going to continue some examples. The first example for today is example number 2.21 from your exercise. The question is like this: two elements A and B form compound having formula AB2 and AB4. When dissolved in 20 grams of benzene, 1 gram of AB2 lowers freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, whereas 1 gram of AB4 lowers it by 1.3 Kelvin. The molar depression constant for benzene is 5.1 Kelvin into kilogram per mole. Calculate atomic mass of A and B. So first of all, understand the question. We have two solutions. Okay, in first solution we have AB2 plus benzene. In second solution we have AB4 plus benzene. Mass of AB2, AB4, benzene all are equal, but here solute is different. In first solution we have AB2, whereas in second solution we have AB4. The molecular formula is different here, and when AB2 is dissolved, it lowers down the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, and when AB4 is dissolved, it lowers down the freezing point by 1.3 Kelvin. Okay, so this is what is given to us. Now what we want to find out? We want to find out the atomic mass of A and B, not molecular mass. Okay, the atomic mass of A and B, that we want to find out. Now for that, look here. What is given to us? Two solutions are there. First solution is having AB2 solute in it, and second solution is having AB4 solute in it. Now what is the weight of solute for first solution? 1 gram solute AB2 I have written here. Same way 1 gram solute AB4, okay, in solution number 2. Now how many grams of benzene is given to you? 20 grams of solvent. So here I have written both sides 20 grams of solvent. Now freezing point lowering, how much it lowers down the freezing point? For first solution it is 2.3 Kelvin, for second solution it is 1.3 Kelvin. Kf value for both it is same, 5.1 Kelvin into kilogram per mole. First we are going to calculate the molecular mass, and from that we can calculate the atomic mass. So first we are going to calculate molecular mass of AB2 and AB4. For AB2 I am writing down the freezing point depression formula. Delta TF is equal to Kf into molality. Okay, that was the formula. Kf I have written as such. Molality in formula lakhi 1000 into mass of solute, that is W2, divided by molecular mass of solute, that is M2, into mass of solvent, that is W1. Okay, molality in formula lakhi chhe main. Now Kf value is given to you 5.1, delta Tf value is given to you 2.3 is equal to 1000 as such. W2, that is mass of solute 1 gram. AB2 now 1 gram dissolve karela, so it is 1 gram, divided by M2 we want to find out, and 20 grams, that is mass of benzene, that is given to you. From that you can derive M2 is equal to 110.86 gram per mole. Okay, molecular mass derive thase 110.86 gram per mole. Same way for AB4 delta TF is equal to KF into same formula में લખી છે 1000 W2 M2 W1. અહીંયા આગળ વેલ્યુઝ કઈ ડિફરન્ટ છે ખાલી this value is different, other all values are same. 1.3 is equal to 5.1 into 1000 into 1 divided by M2 into 20. Now from that you can derive M2 you will get 196.15 gram per mole. Now how you can derive the atomic mass of A and B from these two values? These two values are molecular mass. So suppose if you want to find out molecular mass of H2O, what you will do? Suppose મારે H2O નો molecular mass find out કરવું છે, તમે શું કરશો? You will write down the first કેટલા હાઇડ્રોજનના એટમ્સ છે, then multiply it by atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus here oxygen is 1 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. So what you are doing? Multiplying the atomic mass by number of atoms, okay, and then addition is there. Same way here AB2 formula, એના પરથી શું લખાશે? Atomic mass of A multiplied by 1. Suppose my atomic mass of A is X. Suppose I am supposing the atomic mass of A is X. So X multiplied by 1, here I have written, plus suppose atomic mass of B is Y. B no atomic mass Y છે, so Y multiplied by 2. So here I have written 2Y. What is the molecular mass here? 110.86. Same way for AB4 you can write atomic mass of A, that was X, plus here number of B atoms is 4. Number of B atoms is 4, so 4 into atomic mass of B, Y, is equal to 196.15. So I get two equations here, x plus 2y is equal to 110.86, and second equation x plus 4y is equal to 196.15. Now I am multiplying equation number by 2, then subtracting the resultant equation from equation number 2. So here I have written x plus 4y is equal to 196.15, that is equation number 2, and multiply this equation number 1 by 2, then write down it here 2x plus 4y is equal to 221.71. Now change the signs, so you will get x is equal to 25.57 gram per mole, and put this value in equation number 1 or 2, wherever you want to put, then you will get y is equal to 42.64 gram per mole. Okay, that's it, that is your answer. Unit લખવાનું ના ભૂલતા, gram per mole, and this example was there in recent board exam 2020, March 2020 board exam માં example પૂછેલો છે 4 marks ની અંદર. So prepare it very carefully. The next example is example number 2.26 from your exercise. Okay, it is 2.26. Question is like this: if the density of some lake water is 1.25 gram per mole and contains 92 gram of Na plus ions per kilogram of water. Calculate molality of Na plus water in the lake. Okay. First understand the question. શું આપેલું છે? એક લેકનો વોટર છે. The density of that water is 1.25. Okay. Now the Na plus ion is there in the water, and how much of that is the Na plus ion is there? 92 grams per kilogram of water. Okay, so I am writing down here D is equal to 1.25 gram per mole. 92 grams of Na plus ion per kilogram of water is there. So we want to find out the molality of Na plus ion. So here I have written formula for molality. Molality is equal to 1000 into W2 divided by M2 into W1, where W2 is weight of solid, M2 molecular mass of solid, W1 that is mass of solvent. Now here it is given that 92 grams of Na plus ion is there. So જે સોલ્યુટ છે જેની આપણે મોલાલિટી ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવું છે એનું વેઇટ કેટલું છે 92 ગ્રામ્સ. સો ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ W2 I am writing down 92. મોલેક્યુલર માસ ઓફ Na પ્લસ આયન. પોઝિટિવ આયન હોય અથવા નેગેટિવ આયન હોય તો એનું એટમિક માસ જેટલું જ એનું આયન માસ થાય. સો હિયર I have written 23 atomic mass of sodium into per kilogram of water. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So here I have written 1000. 1000 will be cancelled out. 92 divided by 23 you will get 4. So 4 molal or 4 small m. That is your answer. If molarity is asked in this question only, so you can use this density value. जो molarity पूछा है तो 1.25 વેલ્યુ યુઝ કરવાની અને પછી ડિરાઈવ કરવાનું. ઓકે, the next question is example number 2.36 from your exercise. The question is like this: 100 gram of liquid A, બ્રેકેટમાં એનું મોલેક્યુલર માસ આપેલું છે 140 gram per mole, was dissolved in 1000 gram of liquid B. એનો molecular mass છે 180 gram per mole. The vapor pressure of pure liquid B is 500 torr. Calculate the vapor pressure of liquid A and its vapor pressure in solution if total pressure is 475 torr. Okay, so here two liquids are there, liquid A and B. બે લિક્વિડ હોય તો કયો રાઉલ્સ લો યુઝ કરવાનો? જેની અંદર બંને વોલેટાઇલ કમ્પોનન્ટ હોય એવો રાઉલ્સ લો યુઝ કરવાનો. ઓકે, સો હિયર આઈ હેવ રિટન લિક્વિડ A and liquid B. લિક્વિડ A નો મોલેક્યુલર માસ આપેલો છે 140 ગ્રામ પર મોલ. લિક્વિડ B નો મોલેક્યુલર માસ આપેલો છે 180 ગ્રામ પર મોલ. ઓકે, નાવ લિક્વિડ A નું માસ આપેલું છે, વેટ આપેલું છે 100 ગ્રામ્સ. લિક્વિડ B નું આપેલું છે 1000 ગ્રામ. પ્યોર લિક્વિડ B માટે અગેન પ્યોર લિક્વિડ B માટે વેપર પ્રેશર આપેલું છે PB0 500 torr. એન્ડ બંનેનું સોલ્યુશન બને અને જે રિઝલ્ટન્ટ સોલ્યુશન બને એ સોલ્યુશનનું ટોટલ વેપર પ્રેશર આપેલું છે 475 torr. This much values we have. Now first of all we are going to use Raoult's law here. Raoult's law formula is P total is equal to PA0 into XA, PB0 into XB. Now to use this formula we have to derive first XA and XB, means mole fraction of A and mole fraction of B. So first I am deriving here moles of A. 100 divided by 140 you will get 0.7142. Moles of B 1000 divided by 180 5.55. Okay, now mole fraction of A is equal to moles of A divided by moles of A plus moles of B, total moles. So I will get 0.714 divided by 0.714 plus 5.55. You will get 0.114. XB is equal to moles of B divided by moles of A plus moles of B. Value મૂકશો ડિરાઇવ થશે 0.8887, or this value you can calculate it yourself because this value is different, I think. Now P total, any formula મૂકી. P total is given to 475 torr. So here I have written formula is like this: P total is equal to PA0 XA plus PB0 XB. P total is given to 475. Now PA0 we want to derive. XA, that is 0.114. PB0 is given to 500. This value XB 0.8887. Now multiply these two and change its side. આ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરો અને એની સાઈડ ચેન્જ કરો. So you will get 475 minus 444.284 is equal to PA0 into 0.114. Now from that you can derive PA0. PA0 આ ટર્મ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં છે, આ બાજુ જશે તો ડિવિઝનમાં જશે. So here I have written the division factor. Now you will get 269.43. That is your PA0 value. Another question is asked to you that find out the vapor pressure of component A in the solution. આ કયા ફોર્મમાં છે? when it is in pure form. PA0 શું ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કર્યું? જ્યારે કમ્પોનન્ટ એ પ્યોર ફોર્મમાં હોય એ વખતનું વેપર પ્રેશર છે. અને જ્યારે સોલ્યુશન બની ગયું એના પછી કમ્પોનન્ટ એનું વેપર પ્રેશર કેટલું થાય? સો ફોર દેટ ધીસ ફોર્મ્યુલા ઇઝ ધેટ PA ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ PA0 ઇન્ટુ XA. XAની વેલ્યુ છે, PA0ની વેલ્યુ ડિરાઇવ કરી. યુ વિલ ગેટ 30.71 torr. Now this answer can change if you take full value of points there. પોઈન્ટ્સના બધા ડિજિટ તમે કન્સિડર કરો તો આ વેલ્યુ થોડી ચેન્જ થાય છે. ઓકે, સો યુ કેન કેલ્ક્યુલેટ